Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I created this fall makeup look. So guys, if you want to see a tutorial on how I created this fall makeup look, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. I'll be making use of Nivea Men Poche Balm as my primer, and I'll go ahead to apply it on my face. So guys, now I'll be making use of this brow pencil, okay, in order to draw my brows. And then I'm going to start first by drawing the underneath of my brow, then draw the above. So guys, I'm just going to gently fill it in. And then coming to the front part, okay guys, I gave it a little bit of a hair strokes, making use of the brow pencil. And so guys, after that, I'll go ahead to make use of concealer in order to clean up my brow, okay? And so guys, for my foundation, I'll be making use of this classic makeup foundation. Okay guys, I'll go ahead to apply it on my face. And then making use of a beauty blender, I'm going to start right away in order to blend it out, okay? So guys, I showed you guys a detailed way, okay, in which I blend out my foundation, or how I usually blend out my foundation, okay guys. I just wanted it to be very much detailed so that you can see all I do in order to blend out my foundation, okay. So guys, you just need to grab some product of the some foundation, then use it to go all over your face, blending it back and forth, okay guys. So guys, after blending out the foundation, okay guys, I made sure that I go all over my face, making use of the same beauty blender to ensure that it is well blended, okay, and there are not much products left, okay. And so guys, yes, that is it. So guys, now I'll be highlighting my face, making use of this concealer, okay. And yes guys, these are the areas of my face I highlight, okay. As you guys can see, underneath of my eyes, my eyelid, I want to cover it up with the same concealer, okay. The bridge of my nose, okay guys, my forehead, my chin, and my cupid bow, okay. Just the usual blending, okay. Dabbing it into my skin in order to blend it out. I'm not moving it at all. So guys, I'm making use of this loose powder in order to set my highlights, okay, and also the rest of my face. So guys, I went ahead applying the powder on my face, okay, or the translucent loose powder. After that, I started to blend it, making use of a powder brush, okay. So guys, I went ahead to add more translucent loose powder all over my face in order to ensure that my face is well set, okay. So guys, for my contour, I'm making use of this contour powder in order to contour my face, okay? And here are the areas I contoured. So guys, now I'll be applying some blush, making use of that blush color there, okay? I just smiled, then applied it on the apple of my cheeks. So guys, coming over to my eyes, I'll be making use of this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, okay guys? And I'll be going in with the shade called Eden, okay, as my transition color. So guys, now I'll be going in with this color called Amber, okay guys? I'm going to apply it, okay, a little bit below the transition color I applied earlier. So guys, I'm just blending it back and forth, okay, on my eyes, okay. And so guys, now I'm beginning with the color called Cube, okay. I'm applying it, okay, on my crease. As you guys can see, I'm just blending it back and forth, okay, adding more product in order to build up the color. Now I'll be going in with the color called Saffron, okay guys, and I'm going to go ahead to place it on my lid. I'm just packing more products there, okay, applying it, blending it in and out, okay, making sure that the color is well pigmented. And finally, I'll be going in with the color called Cosmo, okay. I'll be placing it on my lid as well, okay, on top of the the color Saffron. So guys, for my lower lash line, I'll as well be going in with the color Cosmo. Okay guys, I'll be applying it on my lower lash line. And so guys, I'm beginning with the color Amber, okay guys, in order to blend out my outer corner of my eyes, okay guys, to make sure that the transition is well blended, as you guys can see. And so guys, now to line my lips, I'll be making use of this lip liner, okay. I'll be putting the link in the description. Make sure you check it out. Okay guys, I just lined the underneath of my lips and then the above, yeah. And for my lipstick, I'm making use of this liquid matte lipstick from YSL, okay, YSL Beauty. So guys, I'll go ahead to apply it on my lips. And so guys, in order to highlight my face, I'm making use of this loose highlight, okay guys. And here are the areas of my face I'm highlighting, okay, or you will need to highlight, okay. So guys, for my inner corner stroke tear dot, I'll be going in with the color called Cashmere. So and then I'll go ahead to apply it on my tail dot. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching, and here is the finished look. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share. Check out the video on how I created this two ponytail hairstyle. Okay guys, thank you so much for enjoying and keeping in touch with me in order to watch this full video. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. Bye bye.